I definitely feel like a kid in a playground, all the different robots, different technologies which I get to use, having fun while actually working on impactful solutions. My name is Muhallab Al Ismaily. I'm from the Sultanate of Oman. I am a research engineer. I specifically develop technological solutions which look into utilizing robots where robots and automation have not been used before. Some days might include looking at results and analysis of the projects that we're doing, site visits, sitting around with robots, programming it. No day is ever the same. I completed the undergraduate in mechanical engineering here in the UK prior to joining the University of Bristol and completing my master's in engineering with management. Most engineers don't really learn about management up until they're actually faced with an issue that they have to manage. Having a specific course which delves into the topics provides engineers with the correct skill set to know how to approach problems, not only in the technical sense, but also in the managerial sense. Bristol was a no-brainer. Historically speaking, engineering has always been a strong suit here. I studied on the intelligent manufacturing pathway. A lot of which I've learned here I still apply in my work today, from the frameworks of problem solving, the uncertainty and risk management techniques. Additionally, the softwares which we use is the same exact software as I use at work. Beyond the technical and managerial could be like the interpersonal skills, teamwork, understanding, patience, and resilience. The master's provides a lot of different pathways, management consultants, more of a research-oriented career. It opens up a lot of different doors. I think what surprised me most about the course is the diversity of people. I came right after completing my undergraduate degree. We had people who were joining right from industry and were hoping to go back to their roles to utilize the knowledge which was gained on this course. The lecturers themselves are people not only who have been academics, but have actual industrial experience. The culture here at the University of Bristol was very supportive. If I had any issues or questions, I can ask and reach out to my lecturers. Up until this day, I'm still in contact with a lot of them. When I went back to work, I tried to carry that same Bristol supportive culture, helping people and making sure that they themselves become leaders and managers who are able to support others. If I was speaking to someone who is considering to apply for the MSc, I tell them to go for it. I hope you'll find, just like me, that the course will help shape you overall as a person who doesn't just have technical engineering skills, but also has the management skills to achieve impactful things.